Okay, my screen kind of froze there for the last one. So let me go over this problem, one more problem, and then I'll give you the classwork assignment. So this problem here says solve for x. So we got to get x alone, which means we got to move the y over, and we got to move the 10 over. So like you know from solving equations, that first thing to move is this plus. Just like if it said plus 5, we'd add 5 to both sides. For this one, we're going to add y. So these y's cancel out. So you're left with 10x equals, now you could write y minus z, or you could write negative z plus y. Either one's acceptable. Now your answer is going to be x equals, because it says solve for x, so you're going to divide by 10 to both sides. So I divide by 10, divide by 10. And again, I guess you could have negative z over 10 plus y over 10. Or, this is fine right here. Negative z plus y all over 10. That's okay too. Okay, so as you can tell, all of these are different. Okay, it's kind of a little bit tricky to figure out where you start for all these. So you just got to practice a lot of them until you get used to it. Okay, and obviously you got to be good at solving regular equations to be able to do literal equations. So now, kids in school, we'll be going over these problems in class, but distance learners, I'd like you to work on these problems here. Okay, I'll give you credit for 4 of them, but I recommend trying, all 8. And obviously, if you have questions, email me, and we can do a Google Meet if you're still having trouble. But we are going to do, more than one day of this. So if you're not getting the hang of it just yet,